Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. Today in this video I'm going to show you some unique and amazing design for crochet hairpins that often one of a kind, allowing you to express your individual style, and they are very comfort. Unlike some hair accessories, crochet hairpins are often lightweight and comfortable to wear. Like high quality crochet hairpins can last a long time if taken care of properly, making them a cost effective hair accessories. And plus they are customizable and eco-friendly as well as compared to other hairpins. Like they are very costly. So these are the crochet hairpins. You can design it by yourself by using any type of cotton or bamboo, making them an eco-friendly alternative to plastic hair accessories. Like good for sensitive scalps and special, you can wear it on special occasion. You can design it in any color according to your dress design, and you can even gift it to someone else whom you want to gift it, like their special occasion, to babies and your friend or anyone else. Like crochet hairpins can be great addition to special occasion hairstyles such as a wedding or prom, or you can gift to your loved one, or you can run a small business of some by getting an idea from these pins. And if you like the video, do subscribe the channel and share with your friends, and let me know your favorite crochet hairpins from this video. So that's all. Have a good day. Bye bye.